I'm going to fire up my smoker, my Highland right here. So if you want to know how to do that, stick around and see this video. I'm going to use these Weber cubes right here to help me get the charcoal going. So that's what I'll be doing. I will be using charcoal for my base, and then I'll be adding my wood. Oh. Light it up. My charcoal chimney right here. I'm going to be using the B&B. Fill her up. Just like that. And then to take the process, it'll get lit up. Then I'll throw it all in the firebox. Yeah, I like what I see. So that's ready. Alright. Open up the side firebox. Just get that door open. I'm going to use my charcoal basket. Place it right in there. Now let's get that charcoal in that basket. Yeah, how about that? Yeah, just be careful whenever you get that charcoal in there. So with that, let's get a wood. Right now, I'm gonna start off with this one. Let's get it in there. You gotta let it wait, you gotta let it catch since it's not preheated. So let's get it waiting. The important thing to do, as you see it's catching, what'll help to get air in there is open up your lid to your cooking chamber, and always make sure to have that door open to get all the air that it can get in. See, it's catching a lot more now. It's all it needs to get it going. It needs that air. It needs that, you know, to give it life, to get it going. I like what I see. The wood's caught on. So, close up the cooking chamber. Now I'm going to keep the door that wide open. That's how I do it when I cook. I don't close it and you know, full with this to get air in. I just leave it completely open. So that's caught on. And then close it. And then eventually you'll start getting smoke out of there. So you want to try to burn that almost perfect clean smoke. If you still get some smoke coming out of it, don't, you know, trip out on that. That's still good. As long as it's not that thick, dark grayish smoke, then that's when you know that you need to get some air in there to let it breathe, get that wood caught on fire again. And if you do notice that your bed of charcoal is not going down, like if your wood, you're having trouble with your wood catching on fire, it's mainly because of your bed of coals. The charcoal that I laid down, that's my bed of coals to help catch the wood. Eventually that's going to go away because, you know, it's going to turn to ash. And if you notice that if your wood is not helping produce another bed of coals, what you can do to help you out, especially when it comes to an offset smoker like this that isn't the high-end quality brand or made, you can add some more charcoal. Just either light it up again on your chimney charcoal basket, your starter, or just dump it in there. Just dump the charcoal in your firebox and it'll get going, and that'll help you produce another bed of coals. So that'll help you out to keep on going with your cook. You know, sometimes that's what I have with this right here. Once that bed of coals starts to die out, and even the wood that I'm putting on there is not replenishing that charcoal layer of charcoal on the bottom, I'll just add some more charcoal in there, and then I'll continue on. So something to think about if you do come across an issue like that, especially when you have a smoker like I do with the Oklahoma Joe's Highland. So hopefully this was helpful for you, and come back, and as always folks, smoke on everyone.